Have you ever stood at an airport and felt totally lost when someone asked you a simple question in English? Your flight is boarding, your heart is racing, and you don't know what to say. Today, that ends. Because in the next 10 minutes, you're going to learn exactly what to say at the airport through a real story. Welcome to Speak English with MRD. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're doing something special, a Level 1 story lesson called At the Airport. You'll listen to a simple story, learn the exact words native speakers use, and practice speaking them out loud. By the end, you will walk into any airport with confidence. Let's begin. Here's our story. A woman named Sara is traveling to New York for the first time. Let's follow her step by step through the airport. Listen carefully first. Then we'll break it down together. Sara walks into the airport. She finds the check-in counter. The staff member smiles and says, "Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?" Sara replies, "Yes, here you are." The staff member asks, "Do you have any luggage to check in?" Sara says, "Yes, just one bag." "Okay. Please put it on the scale," says the staff member. "Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?" Sara answers, "A window seat, please." Vocabulary breakdown. Check-in counter. The place where you show your ticket and bag before. Flying. Luggage. Your bags and suitcases. Aisle seat / window seat. Seat next to the walkway. Or seat next to the window. Practice moment. Now you try. Repeat after me, slowly. Yes, here you are. Hund, good. Now say, I have one bag to check in. Tinal, great job. Next, Sara walks to security. An officer says, please remove your shoes and jacket. Place your bag on the belt. Sara asks, do I need to take out my laptop? The officer answers, yes. Please place it in a separate tray. Sara walks through the metal detector. It beeps. The officer says, please step aside for a moment. I need to check you. Sara nods and says, of course, no problem. Vocabulary breakdown. Security check, where officers check your bags for safety. Metal. For detector, a machine that beeps if you surge. Step aside, move to the side. Interactive prompt. Pause the video and repeat this full sentence out loud. Do I need to take out my laptop? Perfect. This one sentence can save you so much confusion at the airport. Sara looks at the big screen. It shows flight numbers and gate numbers. She feels a little confused, so she asks a staff member, excuse me, where is gate 22? The staff member says, go straight, then turn left. It's near the coffee shop. Sara says, thank you so much. She checks her watch. Boarding starts in 30 minutes. Vocabulary breakdown. Gate, the specific door where you board your plane. Boarding, the process of getting on the plane. Excuse me, a polite way to get someone's attention. Practice moment. Now you try asking for directions. Repeat. Excuse me, where is gate 22? Asked. Now change the number. Try gate 15. Excuse me, where is gate 15? Asked. Wonderful. An announcement plays. Flight 205 to New York is now boarding. Please have your boarding pass ready. Sara walks to the gate. A flight attendant checks her boarding pass and says, welcome aboard. Your seat is 14A, on the right side. Sara walks down the aisle, finds her seat, and puts her bag in the overhead bin. A passenger next to her smiles and says, hi, is this your first time flying to New York? Sara replies, yes, actually. I'm a little nervous, but excited too. Vocabulary breakdown. Boarding pass. Your ticket to get on the plane pass. Overhead bin, the storage space above your seat. Nervous/excited. How Sara feels. Interactive prompt. Let's practice small talk. Repeat. Is this your first time flying to New York? Now repeat Sarah's answer. Yes, actually. I'm a little nervous, but excited too. Pete, you're doing amazing. During the flight, a flight attendant walks by with a cart and asks, "Would you like something to drink?" Sara says, "Just water, please." Later, the attendant asks, "Chicken or pasta for your meal?" Sara answers, "Chicken, please. Thank you." She relaxes, looks out the window, and smiles. She made it. Vocabulary breakdown. In flight, during the flight, would you like? A polite way to offer something practice moment. One last practice. Repeat. Just water, please. 4. And chicken, please. Thank you. 4. Excellent work. You just learned 5 real airport conversations. Let's quickly review what you learned today. At check-in, you now know how to talk about your luggage and seat. At security, you can answer questions calmly and clearly. You can ask for directions to your gate, have small talk while boarding, and order food and drinks during your flight. These are real, practical sentences you can use on your very next trip. If this lesson helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Speak English with MRD. It truly helps this channel grow and helps me bring you more lessons like this one every week. And if you enjoyed learning English through Sara's story, stay right here, because next, I'm Sara, and I'm going to show you level 2 of this story. What happens when Sara lands in New York and goes through customs? That one is even more exciting, with new vocabulary you'll definitely need. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson. This is MRD. Reminding you, every sentence you speak today makes you one step closer to fluent English. See you soon.